doing? Is that real?
Yeah.
You did it to me. Is that actually real?
Yeah.
Shut up.
You did it to me earlier.
Is that actually real? Ready? Off, have you? Have you actually done that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm sweating. Oh my god, I can't believe you just. Oh my god, I think this food is the best episode ever in my life.
You're literally crying.
I know. Sorry.
All right. So fooled.
Oh my god, that was completely. I can't stop crying. No, this is stupid.
Best trick ever.
Yeah, by far. Because I didn't even think anything would be. Oh my god, I'm actually crying.
I've never done a trick like this.
Oh god.
In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform real magic. I know, that sounds like one of those YouTube videos where it's like, here's the real secret to making $1 million per week. All you need to do is work 1,000,000 hours. But I'm actually going to genuinely teach you how to create real magic. And no, I don't believe people can fly, and I don't believe you can turn water into wine. Watch the performances I performed to Kayleigh and her sister, and then I'm going to explain to you how to create real magic at the end of the video. So make sure you stick around.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on to that. Don't look at that for a second.
Okay.
Before we begin today, I have a little prediction.
Okay.
Trying to do the printer ink run out.
Prediction.
The print ink run out. So
I bet he was designing tattoos. That's why it's written like that.
Don't even. You have to confirm before we get into this that you literally know nothing about this performance.
Mate, I'm holding a placemat with a bit of paper underneath it.
Okay, here we're going to play a fun game.
Okay.
We're going to create the perfect day out.
Ooh!
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take a Sharpie.
Okay.
And I'm going to open up my phone. I'm going to record my screen so that everyone can see what you're doing on screen as well.
Oh, God. Okay. Excuse my handwriting and my fingernails.
The first thing we're going to do is, if you show everyone, we've got to choose where we're going.
So we're going to go where we're going.
Yeah, and what I've done here, I've got I don't know what website this is, but it's a list of, we go through it, some of the best cities in the UK. Cambridge, quite a nice one.
It's nice.
We've got Manchester, a bunch of places, right? So,
yeah.
Get that advert. You're going to scroll down.
Okay.
And
I better put the lid on that then.
Yeah, put it under my thumb for now. Thumb it in. Just scroll, give it one flick.
Yeah.
Do it. Okay, and then the second time you flick, remember the city that you're on. Okay, so have a look at it.
Hang on, it's not stopped yet. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And write it down.
You're not able to see it.
It doesn't matter if I see it. Okay, but it was random. Fair?
Yeah.
You could have stopped
really
anywhere. There's a bunch of different cities. No. This is, for anyone looking, this is cntraveller.com, so this is the best UK cities. Okay?
We're going there.
We're going?
Tell everyone?
Birmingham. Oh my god.
Birmingham. I'm really bad at the accent.
Alright, this is not, maybe it's not create the perfect day out, but create a day out.
Yeah.
To go to, and I've got a list of events, things like aquariums,
I love
skate
this game.
parks. So name a number between 1 and 100.
37.
37. If I open up the list, where are we at? Go on there. Date ideas, but it's more like perfect date ideas. Find whatever's number 37. We need the pen.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
And we can see it because we're going to write it down. What is it?
It says go to the carnival. That'll be fun.
Okay, right. Go to the
carnival in Birmingham, mind.
Beautiful.
Go to
carnival. You can show everyone on the camera.
Is that how you spell it?
Yeah. Probably is. Probably is.
No idea.
Yeah, carnival. And the last one, it says dressed all in the colour. So we have to wear all the same colour. Look, if everyone can see, it's very faint, but I've got a list of colours.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is where it's going to get slightly dangerous. Actually, I'll...
Dangerous?
Not dangerous. I'm going to take a scissors.
This is dangerous. Okay.
Get ready to catch. Maybe you can...
Catch?
Yeah, you can try and catch. I'm going to run the scissors down exactly where you want to stop.
Right.
tell me, and we're going to cut, and it's going to
fall off.
Yeah.
Ready?
Put your hands out, put underneath. Ready?
Yeah.
So you can just say stop any way you like. I'll go as slow or as fast as you want.
Okay. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, I can go any way you want, literally.
Keep going. Keep going. Stop.
Here?
There.
Any more?
No.
Okay.
Cut it then.
Hold the bottom bit tight for me.
This is more technical issues than...
Let go for dramatic effect. Oh, hold it tight again. Not that dramatic, is it?
No.
Oh. Let me hide these scissors. Okay. What do we get? We cut through the colour.
Pink. Pink.
Pink.
Indian red and pink.
So we got, well, the word is on is
Pink.
pink.
So,
You'll be all dressed in this. I'll just wear...
know, if I'm dressing in it, you're dressing in it.
Okay. So let's show the camera what you got.
Okay. Perfect day out. We're going to Birmingham to go to the carnival, dressed all in pink. I can't wait to see Lloyd all in pink.
I'm not... This doesn't really sound like a perfect day out to me.
I think it is.
But all of those decisions are fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, you chose the location.
Yeah.
You chose the event.
Yeah.
And you chose the colour. And everything was done by you.
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. You remember earlier we had a prediction made. Prediction.
Oh, yeah.
Prediction.
The one that he did like a tattoo.
Hey, I like my tattoo designs.
Yeah, you do.
It's been sealed in a box.
Okay.
The reason I put prediction on it is because it says backgammon underneath it. It's the backgammon box.
Not that we're very good at it.
So, what were the three things?
We're going to Birmingham
Yeah.
to go to a carnival dressed in pink.
So, pink carnival Birmingham.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready? F*** off, have you...
Camera.
You haven't bought them, have you? Oh my god, have you actually bought them? Oh my god, are we going to see Pink?
Pink Summer Carnival in Birmingham. 2 tickets.
Have you actually done that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love pink, by the way.
We're gonna cry.
Have you actually bought them?
Yeah, you're going to see Pink. 2 tickets to the Summer Carnival in Birmingham.
Oh my god. Do you know how expensive they are?
Yeah.
Oh, clearly you do, because you bought them. Oh my god. Aww. You're so sweet. That was such a good reveal. I was quite excited about you wearing pink, mind.
I cut that out so badly, but...
Oh my god.
Pink Summer Carnival Birmingham.
Are we actually going, yeah?
Well, you and your sister are going. I don't want to go.
Oh no. No, you bought them. You have to come.
Not really my thing.
Oh my god, I'm sweating. Thank you so much.
You actually got tears in
Yeah,
your
I know.
clothes.
I've just put makeup on as well. Oh my god, I can't believe you just... Oh my god, I think this food is the best episode ever in my life.
You're literally crying.
I know, sorry. So sweet. Oh.
I love you. Happy?
Yeah.
2 tickets to see Pink.
No wonder you were nervous before this.
I said it's time sensitive because your sister's home. So if you want to take her, you can present her with it.
Oh, Lloyd. No, I can't take her. I want to take you. Alright, I'll take her.
Alright, so fooled?
Oh my god, that was completely... I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
Oh, and just in case you thought the trick could have gone in any direction and it could have been anything else, it says prediction, but it also says Pink Circus. Just in case you're wondering.
Oh my god, it does!
The ink run out, so it's not as clean as it could have been.
I was thinking, oh my god, he's been designing tattoos.
PINKCIRCUS, Pink Circus, just in case you weren't
Oh
wondering.
my god. I just don't know what to say to you. Oh, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Oh, you get me.
All right, you fooled really quickly.
100% float full.
Creativity, entertainment, bonus points. I think I know the answer to this.
They're full points and more. I just couldn't give it points. It's just...
For anyone watching, the tricks that I used was Amalgam by Mark Kirstein, an incredible app. You need to go and pick it up from. It's called Inertia within the Amalgam app. Digital Force Bag by Craig Squires and Nicholas Einhorn, also developed by Mark Kirstein. And then the list force is a classic force in Magic. I won't expose it in front of Kayleigh, but I think you recognise the DFB app at least. I don't know.
Yeah.
But they're all things. They're all out there. You can all learn it. And I'll cut to the in-studio talking heads right now.
Oh my god. That's insane. That's insane.
Stop the camera.
I just can't even...
Like that.
Why did you do that? Is this so expensive? Ah. I can't stop crying. No, this is stupid.
Best trick ever?
Yeah, by far. Because I didn't even think anything would be. Oh my god, I'm actually crying.
I've never done a trick like this.
Oh god. Okay. I'm over
Yeah, so
it
look.
now.
So.
No, I'm not. I'm going to see Pink.
You just seen the performance to Kayleigh. As you notice, I give her 2 tickets to go and see Pink. I'm not a huge fan of Pink, but her sister is, so the other one's going to her sister. So Kayleigh said, could I do a piece of magic for her sister and reveal her ticket to her as well? And I was in my pajamas, so excuse the scruffy look, but here is that reaction to the effect. Using your pen.
Oh, perfect.
But you picked Pink. And if I'd asked you to think of pink, then you might, or think of a colour, you might have just gone for that if you're a girl. If a boy might have gone for blue or red.
I think she would have gone for green.
It was a fair choice, right?
Wouldn't you?
Maybe. But that was, I think, fair.
Yeah.
So, let's see what you actually won. Go ahead and turn it over.
Did you win?
Is that real?
Yeah.
You did it to me,
Is that actually real?
Yeah. 13th of June.
Shut up.
You did it to me earlier.
Is that actually real?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see Pink. Oh my god, how did you know?
She didn't even know. I surprised her this morning.
Didn't we
Did
say?
you buy tickets?
I bought tickets. She didn't even know.
Stop it.
I swear.
Thank you.
You alright, mate?
Oh my god.
I'm not going to win you though. I can't
Oh
forget.
my god.
How much is that?
Stop.
13th of June,
Didn't we
Birmingham.
say yesterday?
I literally, what did I say
We
yesterday?
were like, oh, they're
I was like,
£150.
I was like, I
can't
can't
afford
afford it. I was like, I'm not going.
Stop! Isn't that amazing?
Oh my
And then
god.
earlier, no idea.
We were literally talking about this yesterday.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, Pink's got another tour coming out. I was like, it's so expensive for a ticket. Like,
we can't afford it.
I literally can't afford it. Oh my god. Right, what I'm more concerned about is how you did
Oh, don't worry about that. That was just to surprise you.
that.
It's surprising. It's good though, isn't it?
I mean,
We're surprised.
yeah. Like, do you know how you did it? And it's annoying actually.
Isn't it?
Alright, so what you've seen there was Kayleigh and her sister both being completely overwhelmed with emotion, all wrapped up in this experience of magic. And I'll tell you the sort of background story. I like to make everyday experiences feel more incredible by putting a slight amount of work and effort into what these experiences pan out to be. For example, a couple of years back for Christmas, I bought my wife Kayleigh a bunch of Christmas presents. But I didn't just wrap them and put them under the tree. I created this entire escape room treasure hunt where I put like UV ink on the walls and I got cryptex with little clues hidden in them, and she had to do an entire treasure hunt around the whole house to get her presents. She got her presents, the same presents she would have got any other year. But the whole experience of it was just amazing for her. She tells everyone the story. She shows people all the clues I made and give to her. And it was an experience, right? So this Pink concert I knew was coming up. She'd mentioned it a couple of weeks ago, and I really quickly put a reminder in my phone to book the tickets in the pre-sale event that happened yesterday. I put that on my phone, completely forgot about it. It turns out her and her sister had both been talking about this concert. I never even mentioned it to me, and it wasn't just a throwaway comment. She really wanted to go, both her and her sister Rian. So anyway, yesterday comes, and I just, on the off chance, bought the tickets. And I was gonna quickly go, oh, by the way, here's the tickets for you and your sister. I wanted to just do something nice. And then I thought, oh no, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a treasure hunt. And then I was like, oh no, why not make this into a moment of magic? And let me tell you why I think magic is real. Like I said, people can't fly. You can't turn water into wine. Magic, for me, is an emotion. I couldn't get my words out. Magic's an emotion. If you don't believe in magic, you can't believe in love. You can't believe in hate. If you love a food, but you hate a certain food, then you have to believe in magic in my books, because I believe magic's an experience. If a tree falls in the woods and no one's around to hear it, does it make a sound, right? For me, it's like, if somebody does an ambitious card but no one's there to experience, is it a magic trick, or is it just somebody practicing sleight of hand? Magic occurs the moment that somebody experiences it. So for me, magic is an emotion. So I decided to create the emotion of real magic. Both her and her sister were dreaming of going to this concert. So I developed, with the help of Craig Petty, I phoned Craig. I thought, I'm gonna do it in a magic trick. And what I was gonna do was just force the celebrity Pink on Kayleigh and say, and out of a list of celebrities, and then I was gonna say, imagine something you would like from the celebrity or to do in terms of celebrity, and just hope that she would pray for the concert tour tickets. But Craig said, do a confabulation. So for Kayleigh, I did this whole thing where you've seen the routine. I tried to disguise it away from the whole concert until like the penny drops. And for her sister, I just did something with 6 prize cards and a dice to force, the correct ticket on her. But either way, I could have just handed them the tickets and they'd be super happy. But now they have this experience, and it was wrapped in this whole bubble of what I believe is real magic. And every single one of us can do this. So the next time you've got a birthday gift to give, or a Christmas present, or a card, or even if you just go into dinner with someone and something, you've brought something along with you, instead of just giving it there and then, why not make it into a moment, make that experience of real magic? And I guarantee you, you're not just giving them something physical, you're giving them a memory and an experience. I know this is all a bit pithy, and I know this is a bit, to some people this is just a bit like, oh look, I just want to learn a visual gimmick, and that's great, but we have to remember, who are we in this for? Are we doing magic for ourselves, in which case we're just practicing the art of deception? Or are we in magic to give people that experience of real magic? Are we here to create magic? I think we are, but everyone's different. So take what you want from it. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I was super hyped to show it to you guys. I was like a kid at Christmas running off to film it and get the reactions. Don't forget, if you want to learn my absolute best magic tricks, the stuff that I've never released before and I'll never release anywhere else, then sign up on November the 1st to my Patreon membership that's launching. Here's a sneak peek of the intro. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're feeling super generous, ping the notification bell so you'll be the first you'll be the first people. I can't say it. So you'll be the first people to see my videos when they go live. As always, I'm back on Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.